I'm Matt Bouchard with REIT.com, and joining me for this edition of CEO Spotlight is Tom Lowder, Chairman and CEO of Colonial Properties Trust. So Tom, let's start by talking about the trends that you're seeing in terms of leasing activity and rental rates across your portfolio.
Well, 2011 was a record year for us, and we see 2012 as being a mirror image of 2011. It's really the best time that I can remember in our core portfolio. So that same trend that we saw at the end of 11 is the same trend we see in finishing the year. So looks like revenues ought to end up between 5 and 5.5% growth, which is really great.
And you've stated in the past that one of your goals is to not just increase the size of the company's portfolio, but the quality of the assets as well. What progress has been made in that regard this year?
Well, overall, we've been moving our portfolio to primary multifamily, and we think overall that 90% of our income will come from the multifamily business in 2013. So we've reached that primary goal. We've also been recycling some of our older multifamily product, and we anticipate that we'll have another 4 or 5 properties that will probably be sold by the end of this year, first of next year, and take those proceeds and reinvest in properties that exceed 20, 25 years in age to properties that are under 5 years in age. This gives us better rent growth and lower CapEx expenses in that trade.
And another initiative that you worked hard to obtain was the company getting back its investment grade rating. Now that you're there, what steps have to be done to maintain that, and is there more work to be done?
Well, thank you for asking that question. We did get our investment grade rating back from S&P earlier in the year, and then from Moody's at the end of the summer. That was very, very gratifying. A lot of hard work went into that over the last 4 years. There is still work to be done. We're not going to rest on our laurels there. We moved the company from about 60% leverage down to under 45%, and we have told our board that our 3-year plan is to move that even further lower leverage in the 35 to 40% level.
Tom, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Matt.
For more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.